Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mild to warm conditions across the region this morning, seeing temperatures warm up into the upper 70s. This morning, we're seeing a wind out of the southwest that's allowing us to warm up nicely. Should see some mid-80s today, so a warm day on tap for the region before we see a sea breeze move on shore for later on this afternoon. We'll see a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm this afternoon, and then chances of showers and thunderstorms for the overnight hours with a cold front moving through the region. As far as our overall lightning chances today, looks like about 15% chance of lightning for the daytime today, and then increasing to about 30% overnight. So taking a look at our freezing level at 14,100 feet on this morning's sounding. Our winds a little bit stronger with the system approaching from the west, southwest at 21 knots, and then becoming more west-southwesterly above that, above 1,000 feet, and up to 40 knots out of the west at 25,000 feet. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a boundary off the lee of the Appalachians. It's a weak trough across our area. We have a cold front that's currently across the Appalachian Mountains into the western Mid-Atlantic. We have another area of low pressure currently across the Midwest, and another boundary with another area of low pressure across the Southern Plains. We're going to see this weak trough across the Appalachians, or the lee of the Appalachians, develop some showers and thunderstorms for later on this afternoon, and those are going to try to advance to the east from the west for later on this evening into the overnight hours. You can see here a few different hatched areas. This red hatched area is a slight risk of seeing excessive rainfall across the northwestern portions of our area. You can see here some severe weather possible across the deep south and also the Tennessee Valley today. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery across the region this morning, you can see we do have a little bit of cumulus clouds starting to develop off to our north. We're seeing some cirrus and some mid-level cloudiness off to our south. We're seeing a good amount of clearing currently across the region. And taking a look at the HRRR model for today, you can see here variable cloudiness, and then here's about 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. Models indicate we'll have some showers popping up along the sea breeze boundary, mainly around Ocean City to northern Ocean City, but can't rule that out here at Wallops with that sea breeze moving onshore. And then for the overnight hours, looking like here's 10 o'clock and then midnight, and then into about 5 a.m. you can see a band of showers and possible bit of thunderstorms moving through the region, and we'll keep about a 30% chance of a thunderstorm for them late this evening into the overnight hours. And then for Thursday afternoon, looks like we'll have that cold front kind of lingering across the region, seeing an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible during the afternoon hours on Thursday. And taking a look at the European model for the next few days, you can see those showers possible on the coast today, mainly north of our area, with the pop-up sea breeze, shower and thunderstorm. When we move into the overnight hours, we have that low pressure moving north of our region, cold front advancing through the area, giving us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. And then for our Friday, looks like a dry day before we see possibility of some unsettled weather for Saturday. Models continue to back off on the amount of precipitation for Saturday for the air show, so we'll continue to monitor this, but right now it does look like there's a decent chance of seeing some showers and even a better thunderstorm for Saturday afternoon. And for Sunday, it looks like we'll have an additional weak boundary trying to advance to the region late in the day, providing us with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. And for Monday, it looks like we're going to start a dry time period for early next week with a ridge moving in from the northeast or the eastern Canada into our region, and that's going to give us a possibility of a stray shower or thunderstorm for Tuesday, but overall looks like a fairly dry pattern for early next week. And taking a quick look at some risk today, you can see here this is the SPC's Storm Prediction Center convective outlook. You can see here the darker green just off to our north and west is a marginal. We're just in the general thunderstorm category for today. So according to the Storm Prediction Center, not expecting any severe weather across our region, but up into Wycomico County and northwest could see some marginally severe storms today. And also taking a look at the excessive rainfall for today, as I highlighted earlier, we are in a marginal risk for excessive rainfall according to the Weather Prediction Center, and off to our north and west, just northwest Salisbury there, and a slight risk for that today. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, we'll have those slight chances of rainfall today into the overnight hours becoming more just of a chance with a 30% chance of a thunderstorm. High around 86 today as winds are southwest this morning. That's allowing us to warm up nicely. We'll see that south wind kick in for later on this afternoon. That'll allow us to cool back down the lower 80s to upper 70s along the coast. Overnight lows, we'll see lows in the lower 70s with southwesterly winds starting to increase with that front approaching 9 to 14 knots out of the southwest. We'll also see a slight chance of some low clouds moving in, as Miles indicating some low clouds possible with that cold front approaching. For our 24-hour terminal forecast, expecting VFR conditions the next 24 hours, but we'll see some lower level ceilings move in for tomorrow morning. Broken deck around 600 feet possible. We'll see that 15% chance of a thunderstorm from noon to 5 o'clock or 1700 local today, and then a 30% chance of a thunderstorm from 2200 local till tomorrow morning at 8 local. Our tides are running normal, and looking at Thursday and a Friday. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of low clouds and a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the morning, then partly cloudy, warm, and slightly breezy. With an isolated shower thunderstorm possible in the afternoon, high 86. Thursday night, partly cloudy, mostly clear, less humid, low of 63. And for Friday, partly to mostly cloudy and pleasant, high of 79. Looking like there's thunderstorm chances on Thursday around 20% as well as precipitation. Seeing the winds possibly gust up to 23 to 24 knots with that front secondary boundary moving towards the region, and a possibility of some low clouds during the morning. So look at the next 7 days, those slight chances of some showers and thunderstorms for today and tomorrow. And we move into Saturday, next best chance looks like with that fairly potent upper level disturbance moving through the region, 50% chance of thunderstorms and showers as of right now. And then a slight chance on Sunday night and Monday with another additional boundary moving through, possibly giving us a stray shower or thunderstorm. As far as the temperatures go, warm for today and tomorrow, less humid on Friday. And once we get into Saturday, it looks like more cloud cover, high of 78 right now. Could be a bit cooler than this, but models continue to back off on that timing of the precipitation as well as amount. So sticking with the upper 70s right around seasonable average for this time of year. And then for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, looks like we'll return back in the 80s with mid-80s most likely for Monday and Tuesday of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.